How to fix Wi-Fi stuck on obtaining IP address problem in your Android device. To fix Android stuck on updating IP address problem, you may try troubleshooting. So what you can do is you can restart your phone and your router. For your phone, you can now press on your power button and look out for the restart option and just go ahead and restart your device. And for your router, you can find the button to restart your router and follow the process to reset your network. Apart from that, you can just go ahead and toggle on the airplane mode, the flight mode on your device for a few seconds, and then you can just go ahead and turn it off again to refresh the Wi-Fi connection. Apart from that, what you can do is you can forget the network and reconnect. Go to your Wi-Fi settings for that. After that, you can go to connections, go over to Wi-Fi, and tap on your connected networks, tap on the settings, and from here look out for forgot option. And once you do so, you can try connecting the network again in your device. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just go ahead and if there is any problem with application, you can clear cache or anything, or even reset your network settings. Go to your settings and go to the search, and from here you can just go ahead and type in reset. And once you find it up, you can tap on reset network settings, tap on it to open it up. And from reset network settings, you can tap on reset network settings. That will reset all the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings. So you will need to re-enter passwords to reconnect to the network, and that is it. And you can move even closer to your Wi-Fi network to ensure a strong connection. And if there's any kind of available software updates, you can just go ahead and update your device to the latest version. So that is it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.